And thank you for selecting the Accu-Check Simplicity Blood Glucose Monitoring System from Roche Diagnostics. You'll quickly find this to be a reliable system with easy-to-use, touchable test strips that make testing your blood sugar very simple. Just apply a drop of blood to the test strip, and the Accu-Check Simplicity Monitor will do the rest. During the next few minutes, we'll be showing you how to use and care for your Accu-Check Simplicity Monitor. Here's everything you'll need. Your Accu-Check Simplicity Blood Glucose Monitor, a vial of Accu-Check Simplicity test strips, an Accu-Check Soft Clicks lancet device and lancets, alcohol wipes, and a tissue or cotton ball for blotting your finger after testing. There are just 2 simple steps when testing with your Accu-Check Simplicity Monitor. First, with the monitor turned on, insert a test strip. Second, apply blood. In about 25 to 30 seconds, the result will be displayed. Before you use your monitor for the first time, and every time you open a new box of test strips, you'll need to set your monitor to match the strips. This is called coding or calibrating. There is a code key included with each new box of test strips. To code your Accu-Check Simplicity Monitor, first, make sure the monitor is turned off. Then, turn the monitor on its right side to reveal the code key slot. Insert the code key so that the flat side with the code number faces up. Gently push until it snaps into place. Now turn your monitor on. A 3-digit code will appear on the display. This number must match the code number on your vial of test strips. If the numbers do not match, turn off the monitor and remove the code key. Replace it with the correct code key for the test strips you are using. As we go through the testing process, you'll notice that your monitor will beep during certain steps. Your monitor has been preset to beep to call your attention to certain situations. If you do not want your monitor to beep, you can turn the beeper off. To turn the beeper on or off, and to set the time and date in the monitor, please refer to your Accu-Check Simplicity User's Manual. To perform a blood glucose test, first, wash your hands in warm soapy water and warm the fingers to increase blood flow. If you are using alcohol wipes, make sure your finger is completely dry before continuing. Open your test strip vial and remove a test strip. Tightly replace the vial cap immediately. Compare the color of the round window on the back of the strip with the color for 0 milligrams per deciliter on the color chart on the test strip vial. If the color of the test strip is significantly different from the color on the chart, do not use the test strip. Discard it and use a new test strip from your vial. Turn the monitor on and insert the new test strip into the Accu-Check Simplicity Monitor with the green pad facing up and the arrows pointing toward the monitor until it locks into place. Prepare the Accu-Check Soft Clicks device following the instructions found in your care kit. Grasp your finger near the area to be pricked and gently massage for 3 seconds. Keeping your hand down, stick the side of your fingertip and gently squeeze until you get a small drop of blood. When the blood drop symbol flashes alternately with the test pad on the test strip symbol, apply a drop of blood to the top of the test strip on the square green pad within 90 seconds. Note that the entire green pad must be completely covered with blood. The monitor begins to measure automatically as soon as it senses the drop of blood. A line will rotate on the display until the measurement is completed. In about 25 to 30 seconds, your blood glucose result will be displayed. After your blood glucose result is displayed, remove the test strip from the monitor. At this point, you have the option of also making a visual color check. Within 3 minutes following the blood glucose test, compare the reaction color of the test strip with the color chart on the test strip vial label. Simply turn the test strip over and match the color in the round window on the back of the strip to one of the colored circles on the chart. Do not use the color chart to confirm a glucose control result. Visual comparison can only be done when testing with blood. Never use the color chart by itself to determine your blood glucose. Always use the monitor. When finished, simply dispose of the test strip properly and turn the monitor off. At the end of the test, if high appears on the display, your blood glucose result may be higher than the high end of the monitor's reading range. If low appears on the display, your blood glucose result may be lower than the low end of the monitor's reading range. Refer to your test strip package insert for more information. In either case, perform a quality control check with your glucose control solution and a new test strip. If the result is within the acceptable range, you should repeat your blood test with a new strip. If high or low appears again, be sure to follow your doctor's instructions. Your Accu-Check monitor will automatically store your last 30 test results with the date and time each test was run. To see your stored test results, turn the monitor on. When the flashing test strip symbol appears, press the right side of the rocker button to display the most recent result in memory. Continue to press the right side of the rocker button to move toward the oldest result stored. Press the left side of the rocker button to move toward the most recent result stored. You can hold down the rocker button to scroll through your results more quickly. The first result displayed will always be your most recent result. The oldest result, beyond the storage capacity of the monitor, is automatically dropped from memory. To delete the most recent result, or to delete all results from memory, please refer to your Accu-Check Simplicity User's Manual. To exit memory, simply turn the monitor off. Quality control testing is performed to ensure your monitor and test strips are working properly. It is much like performing a regular test, except you use Accu-Check S control solutions instead of blood. The low-level glucose control solution comes with your monitor. When purchased at the store, glucose control solutions are packaged with both a low-level and a high-level per box. To perform a quality control test, first turn the monitor on. Open your test strip vial and remove a test strip. Tightly replace the vial cap immediately. Insert the test strip into the monitor with the green pad facing up and the arrows pointing toward the monitor until it locks into place. When the blood drop symbol flashes alternately with the test pad on the test strip symbol, apply 1 drop of control solution to the center of the green test pad. The monitor begins to measure automatically as soon as it senses the drop of solution. A line will rotate in the display until the measurement is complete, and your control result will be displayed. The Accu-Check Simplicity test strip vial label indicates the acceptable range for low-level and high-level glucose control solutions. The result displayed on your monitor should fall within the acceptable range for the level of solution you used. If the result is within the acceptable range, you can feel confident that your Accu-Check Simplicity system is working properly. If the result is not within the acceptable range, repeat the control test using a new test strip. If the result is still not within the acceptable range, there may be a concern with your monitor, test strips, glucose control solution, or your testing technique. Consult your Accu-Check Simplicity User's Manual for help in identifying the concern, or call our toll-free number for Accu-Check Customer Care at 1-800-858-8072. The control solution is only stable for 3 months after opening, or until the expiration date printed on the bottle, whichever comes first. Once the low-level control test is completed, remove the test strip from the monitor and dispose of it properly. If you have a bottle of high-level glucose control solution that you would like to use, just follow the same steps again. If you are finished with control testing, simply turn your monitor off. Your Accu-Check Simplicity blood glucose monitor and Accu-Check Simplicity test strips need to be used correctly for the best results. Here are some helpful hints to allow you to get the best results from your monitor. Before the test, make sure the code number on the monitor matches the code number on the strip file. Use only the Accu-Check Simplicity test strips. Do not use a test strip or a code key from another product, and do not remove or insert the code key while the monitor is turned on. Always check the use-by date on your test strips before using them, and tightly replace the test strip vial lid immediately after removing your test strip. Do not insert any object other than a test strip into the strip guide. Your Accu-Check Simplicity monitor is an important piece of equipment. Handle it with care. Do not store it in a damp or humid area, such as a bathroom or kitchen, or where there are extremes in temperature, like in your car. If your monitor has been exposed to temperature extremes, let it return to room temperature before testing. Do not attempt to artificially heat or cool your monitor. Clean your monitor using a soft cloth, slightly dampened with a solution of mild dishwashing detergent and water, or a 1 to 10 bleach solution, 1 part bleach in 9 parts water, made fresh daily. The following parts of the monitor should be cleaned every time you open a new bottle of test strips: the outside of the monitor, the test strip guide, and the measuring window located underneath the test strip guide. To remove the test strip guide for cleaning, raise the bottom edge until it is released. Clean with a soft cloth slightly dampened with cleaning solution. If needed, the strip guide may be soaked for 1 hour in this solution. Next, clean the measuring window by wiping gently with a lint-free cloth to avoid scratching the window. Allow the test strip guide to air dry completely. You may also wipe with a dry, lint-free cloth to speed drying time. To insert the test strip guide into the monitor, carefully press down until it locks into place. After cleaning, perform a quality control check using the Accu-Check S-Control solution to make sure the monitor is functioning properly. That's all there is to taking care of your monitor. You'll find instructions for replacing batteries along with other valuable information in your Accu-Check Simplicity User's Manual. Using your new Accu-Check Simplicity monitoring system makes blood glucose testing simple and accurate. If you should ever need any help, you can get assistance from Accu-Check Customer Care. Accu-Check Customer Care is also equipped to meet special requirements, with professional assistance available in Spanish and many other languages, experts in helping the visually impaired, and specialists to help those who are hearing impaired. Once again, thank you for choosing the Accu-Check Simplicity Monitor.